In this video, I will show you how to create an AI chatbot for Telegram and automate your chat. So on my screen, you can notice one chatbot is already created with the name bot for conversation _ bot. And now I'll show you how it will work. Okay, so I'm writing here as hello, and you will see an immediate response will be received from this chatbot saying, hello, how can I assist you? And now I will ask a question, something like I have a question. And once again, an immediate response will be received saying that of course I'm here to help, what is your question? And now finally I'm going to ask a real question, that is what is Pabbly Connect, and you will notice that it will give me a definition of this Pabbly Connect software, that too automatically. Okay, waiting for that. And here we have the definition, that is Pabbly Connect is the platform that allows you to automate your workflow by integrating various applications and services together. Okay, so did you notice how I am able to talk with this chatbot automatically without doing anything manually? Now you must be thinking, how did I manage to automate all my chats? So basically I have created an automation by connecting my Telegram application with this Chatbase application. Well, Chatbase is an amazing AI chatbot builder that allow companies and other users to create their own custom chatbots that are actually trained in a specific kind of data. In this case, I have trained my chatbot in this Pabbly Connect, so my chatbot knows everything about this Pabbly Connect software. Okay, so whatever my customers, my leads, my users are going to ask related to Pabbly Connect, my chatbot will be able to respond to those questions. So if you also want to automate all your conversations with customer, clients and users, then come with me and I will show you how to set up this automation, how to create this AI chatbot automatically. Okay, so you will have to create an account in Chatbase and create a chatbot, and then we will be connecting this Chatbase with the Telegram with the help of a software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. And I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm providing the name something like create an AI chatbot for Telegram. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. All the spellings are correct. Yes, it should be Telegram. Create an AI chatbot for Telegram, and now I'll select the folder in which I want to create this automation workflow. Here you can notice I have 4 workflows. I'm really sorry, I have 4 folders in total, and all folders are visible here. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. So in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, I want that whenever any new message is received from anyone on Telegram application, then automatically generate a reply of that question using Chatbase application, and further the same reply should be sent automatically once again to the Telegram application. So I will add a Telegram once again after clicking on this plus icon. Basically I am going to add one more action step later. Okay, for now I have selected both the applications in this trigger and the action window, and now the idea here is firstly I will connect to Telegram with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the Telegram updates. Okay, so that is why I'm selecting the trigger event as set to webhook and watch updates, and once I have the Telegram data, I will send that data to Chatbase. For that I will again connect Chatbase with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in this way my automation will work. Okay, so clicking on this connect button, then clicking on add a new connection, and then for the connection it will ask you the token. Okay, so how you can create, how you can get this token? Well, all the instructions are available here. So basically you will have to firstly search for the bot father. All right, so this is my bot father. You can search for the bot father in this search bar like this. Okay, so here we have the bot father, and in this bot father you will have to type the /new bot in order to create a new bot. Okay, so this was my previous bot, and now in front of you I will create create one more chatbot. Okay, so adding this, and now it will say that all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so I will choose the name something like automate chats with Chatbase. Alright, pressing enter, and I'm expecting that it will accept my bot name, and yes, it is saying good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. Okay, so I'm going to copy the same name, the exact name, and as per the instruction I will also add this underscore add bot, and in this way one more bot will be created. Alright, it is saying done, congratulations on your new bot. Okay, so in this way you can generate a new token which you will have to paste here so that you can connect Telegram account with the Pabbly Connect, and you will see that Telegram account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And it is connected. And now I'll click on the save and send test request button, clicking on this yes button, and you will see that it will start waiting for the response. Okay, so read the instructions. Once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, then do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means arriving of a new message on Telegram. Okay, so coming back to the Telegram application, and here we have the link of this chatbot. Let me click on the same, and now firstly you will have to click on the start button. Okay, and as soon as you do that, you will notice this chatbot will be initiated. All right, waiting for that, and yes, it is initiated. And as soon as some activity happen in your Telegram application, the response of that activity will be immediately received here. Okay, so let me even show you the details. Here you can notice it is saying the message text is actually /start, because we actually have this /start as message. Coming back, and let me show you other details as well. So here we have the message from ID. Here we also have the first name of the person, and we also have the chat ID in which our chat is going on. Okay, so in this way we have received the data. We have also received a date into the timestamp format. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Telegram and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time any new activity will happen on Telegram application, the details will be received via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to connect Chatbase with the Pabbly Connect, and basically I am going to pass the messages of Telegram to Chatbase so that Chatbase can immediately generate the responses. But currently I do not have a message whose reply the Chatbase can generate. Okay, because I only have this start. Okay, but in case of Telegram, the first message will always be received as this /start. Okay, so what I will do here is I will set a filter that whenever the message received is actually equal to /start, in that case this automation should stop here only. Basically it should not generate the replies, it should stop here only. But if the message text does not equal to /start, in that case this automation should proceed further and it should generate the replies automatically. Okay, so how you can set the filter? Well, filter is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can apply different kind of conditions within your workflow, within your automation. Okay, so in this select label you will find the responses of your Telegram application. So I am going to select this message text, and I want that if this message text does not equal to /start, then only this automation should proceed further, otherwise the automation should stop here only. Now how our automation will decide whether it should proceed further or not? So basically it will depend on this condition. If this condition is false, our automation will stop here only, but if condition is true, our automation will proceed further. Okay, so in this way our automation will decide whether it should run the further step or not. Okay, so currently we have the message text as /start, so what will happen? The next step will not be executed. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'll click on this recapture webhook response button once again. So here in Telegram I will send a relevant message so that Chatbase can generate a better response. Okay, so how about I write something like, what is the pricing of Pabbly Connect. Okay, pricing of Pabbly Connect. Now again telling you why I am specifically asking the question related to Pabbly Connect, because my chat based software is actually trained with this Pabbly Connect only. Okay, so that is why I'm asking the question related to Pabbly Connect. Now coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the response is received and we have the very same message text. All right, and in this particular case you tell me whether this condition will be true or false. Well, in that case our condition will be true. Okay, so clicking on this button, save and send test request, and here you can notice condition is true. That means our automation is giving the permission that it can actually execute further steps, and our further step is going to be this chat base. So the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event as send prompt in chat base, clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the token. So you can enter the API key which can be found at the bottom of the account page. Okay, so this is my chat bot. Firstly I'll click on this account section, and here at last you will find the API key. All right, here you can notice 2 API keys are already generated. You can create a new secret key from this particular button, but I am about to copy the existing one. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, let me paste the same, clicking on save, and in this way my chat base account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. And now it is asking for the message. Basically enter the prompt to send to your chat bot here. Okay, so my chat bot is already created in my chat base application, which is going to generate the reply for me. So basically I'll have to pass that message, pass that instruction. Okay, so we want to generate the reply of this Telegram message, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy this data, the above data, and paste below again and again. I'm going to map that text. Okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that message text, and in this way it will be mapped. Now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details you will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, but if you will provide any text manually here, that text will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually. Okay, asking for the model, choose the model to use. Okay, so I'll select this GPT 3.5 turbo, and now it is asking for the chatbot ID. So going back to the Chatbase account, let me open my chatbot first, clicking on the settings, and here you will find the chatbot ID. Coming back to the dashboard, let me paste the same, clicking on this button, and you will notice that in the response I will actually receive a reply, an answer of this question. Okay, let me scroll down, and here we have a response, something like the pricing of Pabbly Connect can be found on their official website. You can visit the website to get the detailed information about the pricing plans. Okay, so we have this automated reply, and now I want to send the very same reply to Telegram application once again as a response of this question. So I will have to click on this plus icon and connect Telegram once again with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me search for the Telegram once again. All right, give me a second. So I have selected the same, and now I am going to connect it once again. Okay, so this time the action event will be send a text message or reply, clicking on connect, and instead of going with the new connection, this time I'll go with the existing connection because I have already provided Telegram access to Pabbly Connect a lot more time. Clicking on save, and it will be connected immediately. And now the very first thing it is asking for the chat ID, basically in which particular chat you would like to send the response. Okay, so here I have the chat as this, and this is my chat ID. But if I will manually copy this chat ID and paste here, what will happen? Every time the messages, the replies will be sent on the very same chat ID. So that is why instead of providing this chat ID manually, I am going to map this chat ID. And from where I'm going to map this data, remember we have also received a chat ID as a response of our trigger step. Alright, so this is the chat ID, and once again I'm going to map it in the same way. So clicking on this field, and once again you will find the data here in the drop down. Let me search for the ID of the chat. Alright, so I have mapped it successfully, asking for the text. Enter or map the message text to send. Okay, so I want to send the text which has got generated via Chatbase, so I'll map the same, asking for the message thread ID. Enter the message thread ID unique identifier. Well, it is not compulsory because I have already provided the chat ID, and again these fields are not mandatory, so currently I'm leaving these fields blank. And if you want to attach any button, you can add the URL and also provide the label, but currently I do not want to attach any buttons, so I'll be clicking on this button, save and send test request directly, and you will notice that a response will be received, and that response saying that the message has been sent. Going back to my Telegram application, alright, so this is the dashboard, and here you can notice the same reply has been received. The pricing of Pabbly Connect can be found on their official website. You can visit the website to get the detailed information about the pricing plans. Okay, so because we have already set our automation using Pabbly Connect, basically by connecting Telegram and Chatbase using Pabbly Connect, I think my chatbot is ready to do the conversation. Okay, so how about I ask one more question? Okay, so I want the link of pricing page of Pabbly Connect, and now we will see whether our automation is working fine or not. Okay, if it will provide the message, that means it is working fine. And here you can notice it has provided me with a link of the pricing page. Certainly you can find the pricing page of Pabbly Connect by visiting the following link, and yes, it is the correct link. Okay, so did you notice how my chatbot is working absolutely fine? Now whatever I am going to ask to this chatbot related to Pabbly Connect, it will immediately reply me back. Okay, what other products does Pabbly Connect offer? Okay, let me correct the spelling of connect, offer, question mark, pressing enter, and let's wait for the reply. And here we have one more reply, that is Pabbly Connect offers a variety of products and services to help streamline your business process. Some of the key are, well, here I have added Pabbly Connect, so that is why it is giving me the terminology related to Pabbly Connect. I should have asked what other products does Pabbly provide. Okay, so let me change my sentence, that is what other products does Pabbly offer, pressing enter, and let's see what response this chatbot will give me. Pabbly offers a range of products including Pabbly subscriptions, Pabbly Connect, Pabbly email marketing, and Pabbly form builder. Yes, it is correct, absolutely correct. Pabbly Connect offers these products only. Okay, so did you notice how my automation is working fine? So now you just need to share this bot link with your customers and clients. Basically you can embed this link on the contact us page of your website, and every customer, every user will arrive and click on this link and will be redirected to the Telegram application, and in this way he or she will be able to communicate with you. And now you do not have to reply to the queries of those customers, because on your behalf your chatbot will do the same. And now by following the same video tutorial and my instruction, you can also automate your chats by simply building a connection in Chatbase and Telegram with the help of Pabbly Connect. And in order to automate this whole process, you need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Just in case if you want to access this 4-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into my description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.